Hey, this is Life Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do what? Lips. I don't have really good lips. Look at this, everything's going south. So this lip look though is beautiful, and it's perfect for fall, which we're in right now. So come on, I want you to learn how to do this. We're gonna have 2 liners, right? We're gonna have 1 lipstick, and we're also gonna have a little bit of this. Wow, what are we gonna do with this, you think? First things first, we have to make sure that your lips are moist, because this will not work if they're super dry. Okay, so I actually like Aquaphor. This is the lip repair. Love, love, love it. And so I put that on first. Next thing you're gonna do, blot. Then we're gonna take our first color. These are retractable. This is Younique's brand. And this is the color Personable. I love this color because it's not too dark a brown. It actually can pull out, like this orange shirt I have on, tangerine colors. Just make sure you line your lips just like this. Now, I don't have a big top lip, so I'm gonna come right over here, just to kind of give me a little more lip up there. Get a little lip brush and smooth it out, girlfriend. I'm going to use another lip liner. This is the color Plush. It's a beautiful mauve. And yes, I'm going to go right over the brown. Why? Because these two are good paired together. They really are. And we're going to add pink to this. So I like to add just this little pop. And then what I like to do is fill in the sides with this color. Now, we're going to leave the center open. So don't put anything in that center, okay? And if you have to, put your finger here and then fill it in. Now we're ready to add our lipstick. I'm going to use the color Minted. It's like a baby pink. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to place it right here in the center. Remember, we didn't put anything there. This is why. Yeah, do that. And blend it out with your finger just a little bit. If you need to add a little more, because I do like for this to kind of peekaboo through, because we're going to add something else over this. Okay, remember when I said, what are we going to do with this? This is what we're going to do with this. This is my favorite color. It's on my eyelid right now. This is one of my favorite palettes by Younique. And I love this color so much that this is my cranberry lip. Look at that. And guess what? Since this is what? Like a powder, it's going to stay so much longer. And I love lip glosses, but you know, lip glosses can break down the color. And this doesn't. Purse your lips together. Give it the kiss test. Look at that. Girl, you ready to go to the party? And so, I know I'm nuts, but I do appreciate when you hang out with me. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me, okay? I will see you next Sunday. See you later.